Hi there guys, my name is Joel Tremlett. I'm going to be taking you through our Trendsignal trade of the day. I just want to have a look at this quick trade that we had on the S&P 500. It opened up on Friday. We've got a buy sell here. What would happen is you would look to buy at the close of this candle here. So Friday evening, you'd be getting into that market. You'd set your target for this level here, 896 pips away. You set your stop loss at this red level down here, which is 585.7 pips. Depending upon your account size, would depend upon how much you'd be risking on this trade. If you were to have a smaller account, looking at something like a £2,000 account, you'd be doing about 7 pence a pip. If you're doing it with a £10,000 account, you'd be looking at more like 35p a pip. That's our entry. Like I said, it's currently pushing up a little bit. What you will notice with a lot of our S&P trades is that this one's hit its target earlier on in the month. This one then hit its target, just skimmed it there, and so did this one, just skimming that target right at the top. So we're not expecting this to fly all the way up. Hopefully it's going to break that new high, touch that level, and then we'll see what happens afterwards. But that is our Trendsignal trade of the day, and hopefully it's going to go on and hit its target in the next couple of days. Thank you very much.
Register for our free trading webinar and discover the strategies that turn you into a confident trader. Prefer a more hands-on approach? Schedule a one-to-one walkthrough with a senior trader. See our software in action and get those questions answered, and take control of your trading journey.